Hello everybody, how are you doing? I'm doing well. I wish that you are doing well too. If you're not, connect with me and I'll get you doing well. Today is all about perspective and bringing your best foot forward. What does that mean? Making sure that everything you do is intentional and of your choice and having fun. Now you know, for those who are new, welcome to my channel, Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach on YouTube. Check out this link, andreamasons.com, for upcoming events, announcements, and tools. And if you haven't, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the other side. So how's it going? Are you doing what you love? Are you spending every single second of your life, as my mentor, Dr. Les Brown, says, making the best of your life? If not, why are you wasting time? What do you have to do to get your channel in alignment? And when I mean alignment, I mean your mind right, your body right, your spirit, your soul, your heart right. You don't need validation or confirmation from anyone else to let you know when you feel good. That high frequency, that high energy vibration, and just feeling your aura of all amazing clarity, colors, and confidence that you are doing everything you can to make your day a fabulous day. Whether that consists of connecting with people, going to a job that you love, doing and fulfilling your mission that you've created, or just being you, authentic, and loving what you do. Now, I want you to sit back and relax and ask yourself these questions. I am ready to tap into your mind. Are you doing what you love? Are you having fun? And are you spending quality time with those who lift you up, empower you, and celebrating your wins? If you're not, then get up off that couch, get away from that computer, get away from that desk, and start creating your own world. Want to learn how to do it? Connect with me and I will show you the steps while walking beside you and making you exceed your best and fullest potential in life. I want to be there for you. I want to walk beside you, empower you, pick you up when you fall, dry your tears, celebrate your cheers, and get you into gear. This is your time, your primitive time. We are coming to the end of July. We've got August, September, October, November, December. 5 months. 5 months to get you to where you need to be. And it starts with the first step of choosing to press play. Plan life according to you. Don't know how, don't know where to get started, feel like you're lost and tired of the mundane, same routine, habitual grind that wears you out at the end of the day, and you don't have time for you, and you're not doing you and fulfilling someone else's dream. Connect with me. Let's get you started. Let's get you on the right path, and let you put yourself into your best position to get you to living your dreams. I'm able to live my dreams, living a reality, being remote, helping people all over the world, and enjoy doing it, and learning and loving and listening to you. Connect with me, Andrea Mason, your certified global voice under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach. Learn about me so I can learn about you and get you to where you want to be. I am here for you, always. I'll see you in the next video. Be well.